I chose Meadow Hall School because I was looking for an establishment that prioritizes values.
We looked at their core values and, we found that it aligned with the things that we believe.
It was like a family. The teachers are warm. I feel at home here.
The unique thing about Meadow Hall is the blend of the British curriculum with the strength of the Nigerian and the spiritual development of the children.
It's been a wonderful experience.
Meadow Hall is one big happy family.
I've been working at Meadow Hall since 2004, precisely 15 years ago. Meadow Hall is known to push the value of Christ, the fruit of righteousness in children.
I love my school. I love Meadow Hall. I love the way my teachers teach me. My school is the best.
It's been a rocket ride.
In one word, Meadow Hall Ikoyi is a perfect place to put a child.
It's been very enlightening.
Family.